Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard for Gym. PPC advertising is one of the quickest and easiest ways to produce more leads and clients for your gym online. PPC for gyms and fitness businesses can be very effective. All you have to do now is make sure that your campaigns are tailored to your target audience and market. Studio Society, a unique multi-sensory fitness experience in London, has been using our Google Ads and Facebook Ads management services. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Our full suite solution is designed to prevent click fraud plus provide unmatched insight into the quality of your Google Ads clicks. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyses every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.